flat tires, but well guys, hey, we're back at this thing. Yeah, the red van. So then last time you saw us here, we had some flat tires, but we found the cause of the flat tires. There's a nail right there. So then, you know, back when I was young, we always did this with our motorcycles. Guys, I'm just kidding. It's just a bicycle. Don't worry. Okay. So we're gonna pull this thing out.
Yeah, but we're gonna explain first. I'm here. Okay. I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah, who else is recording?
Yeah. But we have the kit. I'm gonna show you the kit to fix tires. I don't know if people know how to use this or not, but we want to
show. Of course not. They're watching this video.
I'm gonna show you.
Or they're just watching vlogs, you know.
What we got. We got the plugs right here. This is sticky things. Cut plugs for holes. And we have these. After you pull whatever is in the tire, like we're gonna do with the nail.
The nail right there?
We're gonna stick these. It's like a file. We're gonna put it in the hole and we're gonna stick it there and do this back and forward.
I need that.
Then after that, you're gonna put the worm in here, get it, and stick it in there. And before I used to like how the thing get in there, but you have like a little opening here. Then you stick it in there, and when you pull out, but we're gonna show you in the video.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna pull this out, and then we're gonna stick this in there.
Yeah. First, Andrew's gonna get the nail out. Wait. Let me wait. Let me take.
Get that close up. A little bit blurry. You get that close up.
Wait.
Got that? Okay, guys, it's wiggling out just a tad. Just wiggle it out so then we can get a good grip. Oh, that's really deep.
Get under the head.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Guys, we're gonna be men.
No, under the head of the nail.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're laying down now. Where's the nail? Lost it. Oh. Okay, we're gonna shove it in there. And then we're gonna pull it out just a little bit. Guys, it's taking a while. I'm like trying to use force here. What the frick is this nail made out of? It's either the tire or the nail. Okay, guys. This might take a while, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get a good grip. And I just lost that grip. I'm gonna pull.
Look, I'm gonna show you.
No, stop it. I got the good grip.
Okay, now.
Just pull it out. Just pull it out.
You have to look.
Pull it out. You have to what, mister?
Okay, just keep going. Okay, we'll be back when Andrew had the nail out. Andrew got the nail out. There's the nail. It's a little one, but that's all we need.
The damage.
Yeah. Now we have the thing in the hole. We have to push it in all the way.
This is hard.
Yeah.
Sorry if I covered the camera view.
I will do it, Andrew. Wait, Andrew. Wait. No, don't do that.
Okay, I'm shaking everything else.
That's not the way to do it. You have to like screw it.
His face just turned red as a tomato. Come on, you got this. Got this. Keep it going. It's like an ASMR.
We're gonna get this ready with the worm.
A little worm.
See, these things are very sticky. I'm gonna put it through this. Are you even seeing what you're recording?
Yes. See your hand. And that's what I'm recording.
I'm gonna put it through there.
Okay guys, this is a YouTube tutorial. How to fix your tires.
You see, put it right there.
Okay.
Then, after you get this, you're gonna pull and it's gonna be air out, coming fast.
It's just the reason for this. It makes the hole bigger so then we can like poke it easier. You know?
Now you have to
There might be an ant coming to you.
Oh man.
Man, this is some heavy business, man.
Yeah.
You're so red. I can't wait, you're a pink man.
Yeah, we see you after. After you put it
Okay,
in
guys.
and sweat a lot.
Yes, a
Sweat
lot. Me too.
Look, it's in. It's in. You just leave a little bit out. Then you have to pull it, and it's not gonna be easy. But you have to pull it quick.
Guys, oh wow.
Then
Wow.
the thing get in, stay inside.
And guys, you see how we're doing this hard labor. He's bleeding. You're like,
Yeah.
guys, be safe while you're doing
And the
this.
leftover, you have
it
to
off.
cut it off.
Could have just used my pocket knife, but okay.
No, it will get all covered with.
That stuff, that gunky stuff.
Yeah,
that
the-
new stuff.
You just cut it off. Yep.
Just cut it off, guys. Then your tire will be good as new once you put air in it.
Yeah, then you have to put there. Then that's it, guys. That's how you plug up hole. on a
In
tire.
tight.
All right, guys. See you. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, please.
And guys, share this video with all your friends.
Yeah, sharing is. Okay.
Guys, I know we said we're gonna do exciting stuff in the summer, but this is
Okay, we're
exciting
going right
stuff.
now. Bye.
Oh, okay. Bye.